Look, it's Mommy Groundhog. Oh, there's a baby. Oh, look. Oh, look cute. What? And there's some more babies over there. Okay, let's count. There's one back behind there. There's one baby, two babies, three babies, four babies, five babies, I see 5, but there's more than that. I know there is. Oh, there's another one. So I count 6. Yeah. Oh, there's 7. 7. So let's see. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, that one just went under the shed. And then there's Mommy. So there's 7 babies and the Mommy. Or at least I think it's Mommy. Pretty sure it is. They're eating. Enjoying the food. There's a couple other babies. The 7th one is over there. He's coming out. Not scared anymore.